Hello, travelers. Welcome to Ocean City, the farthest east you can get on the shore. To outsiders, our little beach town is known as a summertime destination for all walks of life. Families, frat bros, and young couples in love. Then there's us, locals, the ones who make this town tick like a clock. Every year, we say leave only your footprints. Instead, our visitors leave us with piles of trash, resentful memories, and a ghost land. They get to return to their residencies across the bridge, and we finally get our beach back, lined with vacated million-dollar condos and a calm blue ocean. But the busy season isn't so bad. If you look a little deeper, you'll notice us locals and our ability to provide 3 months of pure bliss for the Eastern Shore. My mother runs a small business, and as the eldest daughter, I've answered her call of duty year after year. Here's my story. Sit back and let a local guide you through the way of the shore. When I dream of our great blue ocean. It's a dream where I'm not selling her for cheap, but tap into her true currents, intuition, limitless possibilities. When I dream, I'm led by her. I become part of her.